I'm going to show you two ways to change the background picture on your iPhone. If you want to use one of your own photos, go to the Photos app. Pick the photo you want to use and tap the sharing icon on the bottom left corner. Down here, you'll see an option to use this photos as your wallpaper. You can swipe between a few different effects if you're using the latest version of iOS, and you can also pinch and zoom the photo to position it the way you like. Once you're happy with the position of your photo, tap Add in the top right corner. You can either set the photo as a wallpaper pair, meaning you'll see the same photo in the background, both when your phone is locked and also when it's unlocked and you're using your phone. Or if you'd like, you can customize your home screen. This allows you to adjust the look and feel of the photo when you're looking at your apps. You can blur, change it to a solid color, matching your wallpaper, or you can even choose a completely different photo as your home screen background. I'll go with this grassy green for my home screen background, and once I set that up, I now have the beautiful raindrops on my lock screen and the fresh green grass in the background when using my phone. Another way to change your background is to go to Settings and Wallpaper. You'll see your existing wallpaper options, and you can easily switch between those, or you can create a new one. Here you can choose from all the built-in wallpaper options, set fun emoji wallpapers, or use a photo shuffle, which rotates between different photos. A lot of these wallpapers are highly customizable, so you can make it your own, change the look and feel, and even add widgets to your home screen to show the weather, or something similar you always want to keep an eye on. In iOS 26, you can also fully customize all your app icons, and I have a separate video showing how to do that. If you're interested, check the link in the description. And that's how you change the background on your iPhone. The options are endless, so take a look, have fun with it, and click that like button below if you found this video helpful. Thanks all.